Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Google Java format in IntelliJ IDE. Open Settings and install the plugin, then restart the IDE. Configure the formatter under Editor, Code Style, and select Google Java format as the default formatter. Optionally set keyboard shortcuts for quick formatting and enable reformat on save to keep code consistent across your team and CI pipelines. Configure the formatter by selecting Google Java format as the default in code style. Use inspection settings to handle imports and wrapping without changing core formatting rules. Export settings to a shared file or editor config so teammates get the same rules. Test formatting on a sample class, fix any inspection issues, and commit the configuration to keep builds and reviews consistent across the project. Use code reformat code or your shortcut to format a single file or multiple files at once. For larger changes, run the plugin from the command line or configure your CI to apply Google Java format before building. Review diffs to ensure only formatting changes occurred, and communicate with your team about running the formatter locally to avoid noisy code reviews and merge conflicts after adopting the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.